It's Mike from Leadership with Mike. If you're a manager who feels like your team doesn't respect or doesn't listen to you, this video is one you want to watch. In the next 75 seconds, I'm going to reveal to you how to earn the trust and respect of your team so that you can be the leader you've always wanted to be. Now, I know what you're thinking. Mike, I've read all the books. I've taken all the courses. I've tried everything and nothing has worked. Listen, I get it. I've been there, done that, got the t-shirt. I used to doubt myself all the time. But then I realized the leadership advice, all of the books, they're completely full of fluff. And it doesn't work in the real world. So I created the No Nonsense Leadership Bootcamp. It's an online course that has helped hundreds of managers just like you earn the trust and respect from their teams. In this course, you will learn how to work with difficult employees, how to make decisions easier, how to be more confident in yourself as a leader, and so much more. Plus, it comes with a money-back guarantee so that you have nothing to lose. If you want to stop doubting yourself and start leading your team with ease, click the button below this video to enroll in the No Nonsense Leadership Bootcamp. You will not be disappointed. I'll see you there.